Okay guys, we're back with another recipe from 30-minute paleo meals. Today we're just going to make coleslaw. And this is the picture here. So this is what we're going to make today. A very easy recipe. First thing I did is we're going to need 2 bowls because this makes 8 servings. So that's why I have 2 bowls here, because I don't have a bowl big enough to put everything in. So green cabbage, I have shredded up a full head of cabbage, and I'm just going to put it in here. And then in here, this piece is kind of big, so I'm going to take it out. This piece is kind of big, so I'm going to take it out. Probably be okay, but... And then we're going to add in the red cabbage next. You really need a big bowl for this, huge bowl. And this red cabbage is a full head of red cabbage. I don't know how this is going to work. Maybe hopefully the marinade will make it swell a little bit, maybe. I don't know. You need a massive bowl. Don't want to waste any, but I don't have a bowl big enough for this. There we go. I guess that's going to have to be good for now. And then we're going to add in some carrots, even more. So I just bought some shredded carrots to make it a little bit easier than having to cut up. But I don't think I'm going to use as many carrots because I don't see carrots in coleslaw very often. So, and I really want to make some carrot cake muffins. Keto, of course. But, okay, there we go. You're supposed to do 2 cups of carrots and then a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. So I have my apple cider vinegar here. I already poured it in a half a cup container. So we're just going to put some in here and then some in here. And then we're going to put in half a cup of raw honey. So you guys all know I use this one here, and I've got mine already poured out, so you don't have to hear me complain about. And then I might have to do it in 2 separate things. Here we go. I don't know about the honey. It's so thick. Hopefully that will make the apple cider vinegar not taste so bad. But there we go with that. And then we're going to do 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. So I'm just going to put this right here. And then this is the olive oil. Perfect. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of whole grain mustard. I ordered this on Amazon for another recipe. I'll have to link it below so you can see what other recipe I've used this for. And then here's my tablespoon. I'm just going to put a tablespoon in each one. I don't know how I'm gonna get this to mix, but... And then we're going to add in a tablespoon of celery seed. So I had to buy this today at the grocery store. I didn't have celery seed in my back pocket here. So 1 tablespoon. There we go. And then 1 teaspoon of dry mustard. So I forgot to grab that. Let me grab it. 1 teaspoon of dry mustard. I actually had this in my pantry, so I didn't have to go anywhere for that. And let's open this up here. There we go. I don't know what you really use dry mustard for, but I got it at some point for something, and I don't remember what it was. Not a recent recipe. Put the lid back on here, and then some sea salt, and that is it. And then we let it marinate for 25 minutes. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some sea salt. We're gonna let this sit in the fridge, and then we'll be back in probably later tonight. I'm gonna make another recipe this afternoon. So we're gonna hit chapter 3. Fish and seafood is our next chapter. So all of our salad recipes are done with this last coleslaw recipe. So please like and subscribe my videos, and we're gonna keep moving on in the recipe book. Thanks.